Hello everyone, I am your host Haroon Zuberi. In this video series, I will let you know about CPanel and its components. This video series is specially designed for the persons who are absolute beginners and want to learn about CPanel. Also, this video series is ideal for those who already have developed a website and want to make it live over a domain or a subdomain. So, let's get started. Here we have a CPanel in front of us right now that I purchased from Namecheap. All the components, as you can see, are divided into multiple sections based on their nature. The one you have right now might be different from this one because many service providers customize the CPanel user interface according to their demands. CPanel also provides you a different user interface. I will let you know about it once the course proceeds. First of all, let me give you a brief introduction about each and every section. After that, I will give you a direction about how we are going to proceed in this course. So, let me give you a brief introduction about each and every section of cPanel. In the start, on the top, we have Namecheap specific options as I purchase this hosting from Namecheap. So, there are some Namecheap specific options. After that, we have a domain section. When you purchase any hosting or cPanel, you must have to add up a domain to it. That is called primary domain. After that, you can add up as many domains as you want that are called add-on domains or called subdomains. After that, we have email section. In the email section, you are allowed to manage all your email accounts of the domains that are added to the cPanel. After that, we have a file section. In the file section, we have all the files that are live and showing on our website. After that, we have a databases section. The database section is basically used to create or manage your existing or new databases. After that, we have a matrices section. In the matrices section, we have some logs and stats of our website. After that, we have a security section. The security section allows us to manage all the security related features such as SSH access, SSL certificates, API tokens, hoarding prevention, or many others. After that, we have some softwares that are related to our website such as optimization or application manager or Node.js or PHP version manager or something else. After that, we have an advanced tab. Advanced tab is basically used to manage your caching and terminal services. Also, it has a very useful tool that is virus scanner that is very efficient in scanning your code and malware. After that, we have some preferences that are used to manage your cPanel preferences or settings and users. After that, we have some Spectacular app installer. The Spectacular app installer is the one that is pretty popular for the WordPress or other apps, that is one-click app installer. So we will discuss all in the details in the next few videos. I have arranged the section related to our direction. Like you can see, we have first domains, then emails, then files, then databases, then matrices, then security, then software, then advanced preferences, and then Spectacular app installer. We are going to discuss each and every section in the same order. Before deep dive into section details, you can see we have some section and settings on the left side as well. Some of the settings are user specific and some of them are server related. When you click on the username on your top, you can review the user related settings, that is account preferences, password and security, change language, change style, contact information, reset page setting. If you want to change the cPanel style or the theme, you can easily do that by the change style settings. After that, we have a bell icon and a logo button, and below that we have general information that shows my current login user, the primary domain, the domain that I set up while purchasing the cPanel, the shared IP address. As I purchased the shared hosting, so I got the shared IP address, my home directory. The home directory can be accessible using file manager that will be discussed later on, my currently logged IP address, theme, server information. When you click on server information, you will get to know more about your server such as operating system, your PHP version, your MySql version, or something else. Below that, we have statistics that shows my usage and the server information such as add-on domains. I have filled all of them, file usage, subdomains, and all others. Most of the data in the statistics are directly related to different sections, and we will discuss them all in details when we will go to that. In the next video, we will be discussing about the domain section of the cPanel. I will let you know how you can add up a domain or a subdomain, or what are the difference between the domain and a subdomain. Stay tuned with me.